In this video, I will be showing you how to use voice mode in Claude AI mobile app. So let's get started. So first thing, just come into the home interface, and in the type text field, you'll be having a mic icon, and near that we'll be having the music icon. So if you only want to do voice input, simply click on that mic and speak something. So in this way, you will be able to input your questions to Claude rather than typing it but through voice. So I will show you a demo for that. So I'll just click that, allow permissions. Hey Claude, how are you doing today? Once you are done speaking, just click on the tick mark, and this will be coming as a text over here. You can simply edit it or send it to Claude directly. So this is the voice input way. The other type of voice mode is you asking questions to Claude in voice and Claude also giving the response in voice. So for that, just click on the next icon near the mic. Hey Claude, can you hear me, bro? So I hope you could hear what Claude spoke right now, and here also we can change some stuff like the voice of the output that gets generated. So I'll just click on stop now, and again go here, close the mic. So here we are having the settings, select that, and here we are having these many voices to choose from. So you can select the voice of your choice over there, and next is the pace if you want it slow, normal or fast, and next is the voice mode. So first is the hands free. So every time you ask something to Claude, it will automatically respond to you without you triggering it to respond. That's the hands free mode. That's the one I showed you now. And next is we are having push to talk. So every time we are going to speak, we'll be holding a button, and after we release that button, Claude will respond. So I'll just show that example to you now. So I'll just go with push to talk, go back, and here I will again go in. So here we are having this recording button, right? So now I am speaking, but Claude is not interacting with me. The reason is being only after we select that button, it will interact. So I will just click on it. Hey Claude, how are you doing, bro? How is the weather today in New York? Give me some updates regarding it. So only after I take my hands away, it will start the response in voice. So these are some of the two modes that you can try, hands free and push to talk. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.